You want to earn money from a YouTube channel and start your own YouTube channel, but you are facing the problem and you all feel shame in front of camera. So this video is for you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Sayyid Harsh and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can start your own YouTube channel through AI. The AI will write a script for you, the AI will convert that script in a voice, and the AI will edit the video for you, and AI will produce a sound in that video for you. But you have to watch the video full and don't skip any part of the video, otherwise you wouldn't be able to make or know anything, because this video is gonna little bit long but too informative. You have to watch the video full, and after watching the video you will be able to start your own YouTube channel through AI on the sound of AI. So break your patience. We're just wanting your time. Let's get back towards the video. But before starting the video, I'm going to do a little bit request to you that if you don't like to subscribe my YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. So let's go toward the desktop screen. If you have a phone and don't have a laptop, or you have to go to Google and click on the three dot of first side, scroll down a little bit and you can see there the desktop option. You have to just check mark that, and everything is just like a desktop. Your phone is just like a desktop. So this is my desktop screen, and you have to go to Google Chrome and search in the search bar chatgpttomakemoney.com, and click on the first one link. A little bit scroll down and you can see here try ChatGPT, and click on it, and now it's gonna see that your connection is secure or not. So there we go. This is the dashboard of OpenChatGPT. Here you can see this is the search bar and all the thing. This is the search bar, and you have to just click on the search bar in whatever you want, so you can write here. So for instance, we're gonna write a top 3 facts about USA. USA, and enter. So there we go. The robots are writing all the things for us. We don't have to do anything, okay? You have to give just a topic of video, whatever you want. And then what you have to do, click on in the new tab and search in the search. Click on the new tab and search in the search bar TTS MP3 and search here .com and search. So click on the first one link. So there we go. This is the website of TTS MP3. So what they do, it will convert the text to voice, okay, and we have to write a text here and they will convert it to so then you have to copy the topic first. You paste here, and then you have to go and copy all the text answer, and again come here and search, paste here, okay. Here you can select the languages and click on read
Top 3 facts
option.
about USA.
So you
1.
can
The United
hear it.
States of America, USA, is a federal republic comprising 50 states and a capital district. 2. The USA has a diverse population, with immigrants mixed economy. 2. The USA has a diverse.
Then click on download to MP3 and MP3, And then you have to go and open in a new tab aivideogenerator.com. Okay, click search in the search bar and click on the first one link. So the first time you can see this dashboard, first of all you have to sign up, and then this board will be open. So we have to click on text to video, just click on it, and here you can see a lot of templates. Okay, whatever you want, you have to use that. Okay, so we are scrolling and searching for the best template. So there we go. This one is not no. Again, this one seems to look professional, and here you can see landscape for Instagram square and for TikTok portrait mode. So we are making this video for YouTube, so at the landscape mode. Here you can see also the another templates. Click on use template, and there we go. You have to give the topic of video title. Okay, so title is top 3 facts about America, USA. So we are just remove 5 and 3. I've already tried on it. Okay, and again come to ChatGPT and copy it and paste it here and click on next. So the AI will generate a video for you and find the right pictures for your video. Okay, so here we go, and click on advanced option here. There you can see, after clicking on it, this sort of dashboard will be open in front of you, and here you can edit all the video. So this is the first, then second, third and fourth template, and what you have to do after all, you can edit your video. Here you can see the AI will generate a video for us. Okay, so what you have to do, as we have the sound already, so we are just click on upload option, go to upload media, and then the voice which you have downloaded from ttsmp3.com, you have to find it and upload it here. Okay, so there we go. This is, and here you can see
facts about
the
USA
3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. Okay, yeah, this one, add to timeline, and we have to set it. Okay, edit it. So there we go.
Top
this
3
is
facts about USA 1. The United States of America, USA, is a federal republic comprising 50 states and a capital district.
And share.
2. The USA has a diverse population, with immigrants from many different countries.
Click on that option, and there we go. This is export. You can see here, after exporting, you can see this arrow download option. Click on it, and there we go. This will be download to your whatever place you want, so you can download and give your own name. Okay, and click on save, and then you have to give this video to upload this video to YouTube. So easy peasy job, anyone can do it. Okay, try on, please.
Top 3 facts about USA 1. The United States of America, USA, is a federal republic comprising 50 states and a capital district. 2. The USA has a diverse population, with immigrants from many different countries and cultures. 3. The US has a mixed economy, which is the world's largest national economy, and is fueled by abundant natural resources, a well-developed infrastructure.
Hey guys, what are you waiting for? If up to now you didn't make your own YouTube channel, you are just like wasting your time. So this is all about today's video. If today's video is a little bit informative for you, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this, and give the thumb. See you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.